going to empty out the hopper back here in the back. Next step is to remove all these racks. Remove the water pan. Remove the flame diffuser. Next, we're going to remove this door just by picking up on it. Sit it off the side. Next, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum all this out. So this is your temperature probe, and it's right here. We'll take it out with a couple Phillips screws. Right here. I only had this thing like a couple months when this temperature probe went out, but I've had the temperature probe for quite a few months. I haven't cooked anything on the smoker since I got the probe in, or since the other probe went out. I hope the probe's actually what fixes the problem. When you order this from PitBoss, the good thing about it is that your PitBoss smoker and grill comes with a 5-year warranty on replacement parts. And this got sent to me for free. We're not going to take this out yet. We're going to flip this over on the side. Sorry if it's a little dark out here. It's daylight outside. It's dark out here in the carport. We'll take a screw out right here. Take a screw out right here. There's a screw back here. Another screw right up here. But this thing don't come with instructions, so you just gotta dig in there and do it. You gotta dig in there and get her done. Yeah, take that out. Looks like we got another screw right here. Take this screw out. Get this screw out. This is the heat shield for the controller. Get that out of the way. One more screw back off in here. Can't see it, you gotta feel for it. Spin this thing around and there it is. Wow. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, eh? So, looks like it got melted or something. Anyways, this looks like it's going to be kind of like running wire. So we're going to tie something to the end of this. I'm going to take this. We're going to tie a little knot on the end of it. Like that. Gonna run this up in here like this and tie this on to right here, and hopefully it'll stay on. You can use tape if you want to. I'm just going to reach inside here and pull I did see this came out. Now I'm going to unhook this. And I'm going to hook the new one like that. Now I'm going to pull the cord from the bottom side and feed it on through this hole. Like that. Alright. Alright, now I'm going to disconnect this. And this back around and hook it up right here. Like that. We'll fix all the wires back off in here like it needs to be. Somehow. Now that we got that, we're going to start one of these screws back. And this looks like a good spot. All right. All right, let's make sure all the wires are in there right. Let's start putting the screws in. We'll put the heat shroud back on. Alrighty. We'll push this down off in here. Put a couple screws in it. I don't know if that's what the problem was, but it looks like it was pinched pretty hard right here. But I don't see how that could have stopped it from working, but oh well. Let's give her a shot. Pour some pellets back there. To start one of these, you put it on smoke. Right there, the lowest setting. Turn the power on. You want to prime it a little bit with the prime button. Let a few pellets drop off down in the hole. There, I'm not pushing the prime button anymore. Let's see what happens. So I don't know if this is going to fix it. I can smell it starting to heat up already. What would happen before was the error code would come on, and actually the error code was saying that this wasn't connected. So hopefully this is, and then an ERL I think was the name of it. What it was doing was it would say that the temperature would just go all over the place, right? All over the place. It wouldn't stay. When I first got this, it would stay where it needed to be at, and then it wouldn't. It'd go all over the place. So they said that it was probably the temperature probe. When it stopped working right was whenever I cooked something on the highest setting of 400 degrees. I think that's what it is. Yeah, 400 degrees. I cooked something on 400 and then this thing it stopped working right. So hopefully, and it's starting to smoke now. Hopefully this will work. I'm gonna go get some meat to put in here and give it a what for. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Give it a thumbs up. I love PitBoss. It's got 5-year warranty, free replacement on parts. Y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and you come back. You open this. This is another thing. You gotta have this open. If not, it catch on fire.